Hello everyone and welcome again to the channel. Today is a special day because today I'm actually unboxing for you guys my second ukulele. So stay tuned. Hello again everyone. Today is a special day because today, as you heard, I got my second ukulele. I was looking for a ukulele so I can just pretty much bash around with, take it wherever I go. It doesn't matter where I go, it doesn't matter what I'm gonna do. I wanted to have one with me just in case I have time and I want to go ahead and just play and fool around with it. And I didn't want to take the Populele because obviously that one is, you know, it's actually a special ukulele for me. It was a gift and I don't want to just, be my basher ukulele. So I decided to go ahead and go to Amazon and buy one of the cheap ukuleles that they have that comes with a bag and a whole bunch of accessories. And I'm going to put the link down below, so if you want it, you can go ahead and actually get it from there. It is going to be an affiliate link, so yes, there is a little bit of a kickback if you guys buy it from the link below, but it's a cheap ukulele. I believe I paid 39 for it because there was a coupon of, like, I believe it was 5%, something like that. So I got it for $39. If you go to the website, they have about 5 of them. This one, the one that I'm gonna unbox for you guys, is the CT1. There is other ones there. To be honest with you, I don't know what the difference is between them. This is the one that came up when I was actually searching for it, and I saw it and I liked it. I like that it comes with like a gig pack, to go ahead and take it around, and it comes with a couple of accessories that I haven't seen yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it together. The ukulele actually comes inside, in its own cardboard box. So here it is. I'm gonna go ahead. I already cut the tape, so I didn't have to do that while I was filming this. But this is gonna be the unboxing for you guys. Okay, so I already like the bag. It looks cool for the... Okay, I starting to see the accessories. This is one of the accessories. This is used to actually, the tuning knobs. When you're gonna change the strings, you use this to tie them up faster. It comes with a strap. This, I have to be honest, is the only thing that I don't like about the package, but there was no difference in between any other packages, and it's the strap, the design on it. The strap that I use on the Populele is actually solid black, and I will prefer, a solid black strap for any of my ukuleles. So it comes with a capo, so it is cool that it actually comes with a little capo. I have capos for the guitar, but I don't know if they could work for the... Yeah, they actually are the same size, same type of kind of grip. But what I like on this one is like really hard. I can actually use this one for my tennis elbow that I'm suffering from now. I can probably use this one for, exercising my tennis elbow and get stronger. But this one doesn't work for that. This one is actually very gentle, very soft, and I like this one a lot better. It also comes with a tuner, which is just your standard tuner. I know I'm missing something. Yes, I'm definitely missing something. Maybe inside. Maybe inside the bag. So let's go ahead and open it. The bag, obviously, is not the same bag as you have as this Cordova bag. Is definitely not the same. This one, the padding on this one is probably like an inch thick, and it's super thick on the top, on the bottom, on the sides. Is like the ukulele here is super well protected. But then again, this bag alone costs the same that I pay for the bag, the jug, and everything else that is here. So you cannot ask for much, but it's pretty good. I like it. It feels like blue jean kind of like fabric, so I like it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so here the only thing that we have is the ukulele and the whatever thing, gel thing it is. Okay. I have to double check. I'm pretty sure this one is supposed to come with some other accessories. I don't know where they are, but I'm pretty sure that this is supposed to have something else. Nice. Very light. I have to say the Populele, even though it's made of carbon fiber, like the body is like super light, but the arm where you have the lights and everything is kind of heavy. This one is still heavy on the arm, but it's light also. It's like a little bit better balance, and I hate to say it because obviously this is $38 with everything that you see here, and I'm still missing something. So let me go ahead and do this. Let me go ahead and take out the tag. Let me go ahead and tune the ukulele, and then we'll see how it plays. And I'll give you a review of how I think it plays. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so there you are. I use my all tuner to tune it up. So I see it a lot easier to grab. It's a lot easier to grab this one than to grab the Populele. I guess this one kind of like gets in position, is stuck there, and it's easier to just to just have it with no hands, just like with the inside of your arm like you're supposed to. It's easier to control this one than to control the other one. I like the knobs. They feel actually pretty good. They feel kind of like the same knobs that I have on the Populele, so it's actually pretty good. Things that I like about this one that now that I have it, obviously is not that it's a bad thing on the Populele, but one of the things that is hard to get used to it is to actually play without any of the markings. And this one not only has the markings in the front, even though it's missing the the third fret is missing that one, which is perfectly fine. But it's marked here, 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 and it's also marked. I'm gonna go ahead and see if the camera can pick it up. Do you see those dots? Those are the dots that are marking, all the rest of the frets where they go. I like that the strings are white. I actually wanted to get white strings for the Populele because on the Populele, where did it go? Where did it go? The Populele, the strings are actually clear. They're not white like this one, and I think white strings on the Populele will look a lot better just because the clear strings get lost on the black fretboard. So right now my repertoire songs is only Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and a little piece of Imagine by John Lennon, but I not remembering the chords. Let me see if I can actually get that, if I remember them. Okay, that, and that. Let's see if I can do it. Whatever. that's like the very first intro. Um, I'm learning to play with my finger because I usually play um, with the pick of the guitar. That's what is missing, the picks. Okay, let's find the picks. So let's see if they're inside here. Ah, that's what it is. Okay, so, okay, cool. So it brings a little towel to keep your ukulele clean. So that's cool. That's going back in there and that's gonna stay there. It brings a set of strings with the number of the strings so you don't get lost when you're actually putting them in. Now it brings 3 picks, but are not the picks that I thought I was gonna get. I thought that I was gonna get the soft one, I don't know if it's called felt, whatever. I thought I was gonna get that instead. Well, I'm okay already. I got a yellow one, so anything that is yellow is okay with me. Yeah, it sounds a lot loud. Cheap but good to go ahead and actually start playing. I will tell you that it feels really good. It feels very well made. For the price is incredible. I didn't think it was gonna be this well made and feel this good. I thought it was gonna feel like a toy, but it doesn't. After actually getting the feeling from that one and the sound is really good. I like how it sounds. Obviously, there is more expensive ukuleles than this, and there is ukuleles that will sound a lot better than this because of the construction of the wood. It sounds really good, really solid, very solid construction. Nothing twisted, nothing. Wow, that's straight. Okay. Um, the only things that I see that are obviously because of the price are the pieces here. This is obviously plastic, and this is plastic. It's not made out of bone, but you know for the price again, for the price that I pay and that you can pay for this $38, you get all this in one package. I think is great. I think is for someone to start. I started with one that was almost $160. And I could easily done the same with this one, but this is gonna be my everyday ukulele. I'm gonna take it everywhere. You're probably gonna see me one day on the boat video, going out on the boat and taking the ukulele with me. So you'll see it. It's definitely gonna come with me everywhere I go. So yeah, if you're gonna go ahead and actually look into a very cost-effective ukulele to learn to bash around, I will definitely recommend you this ukulele. It's very affordable, $40. You get all the stuff that you need to start playing ukulele. And then if you need an awesome teacher, make sure that you follow Bernadette Teaches Music, because she is amazing and she is the one that actually I'm following, and I'm doing the 30-day uke challenge. That's where I found I'm on day 15, and that's where I'm getting the John Lennon Imagine song. Today was my day 15, so that was my practice for the day, and I was doing it, and it's awesome. If you have any comments, any suggestions, any questions, make sure you leave them on the description, on the in the comment section below, and make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.